Bom Mawnongrim usi bantai ya Wahïajer multi sport complex Pak Pusat Politika Menteri Lyngba Kejala Konrad Ki sang maringkat usembut Menteri Hakasni Thoding Kilabu yu Mawnongrim banbu ya Wahïajer multi sports complex balamang bantai hakajinglut kaba arpusau pun kena penyu kulur tingka Lyngba kati kaskin temu bansnaru ya kamaran pelang plastik nanta kamaran mari kejaka syong napentaki VIP kijaka khlieh ki office bat kibe.
And there has been a lack of good infrastructure for sports throughout our state. There has also been a neglect in this particular sector in many fronts. We have the talent. We have the youngsters who desire to not just play sports but to take sports as a career. But because of the lack of infrastructure, the lack of proper training, many dreams are left unfulfilled. I was told that a sports person who would receive a medal in the national games would be given 7,000 rupees from the state government. Now, I'm not saying that money is important, but it does make a difference. A sports person who wins a medal at the national games, if you go to other states, they get lakhs and lakhs as a mark of respect and also to boost their spirit. As soon as we came into the government, we came out with a sports policy. We made changes. And today, depending on the medal that you get, that 1,000 has been converted, at least for the beginning, into lakhs. 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs. A mark of recognition for us sports people, a small recognition. But it goes a long way in telling the sports people, the sportsmen that we have, that we recognize you.